Do you feel like your Windows 11 screen is just too bright, especially at night? Well, today I'm going to show you how to fix that by enabling dark mode, using contrast theme and turning on night light for a more comfortable experience. Whether you work late at night or just love that sleek dark aesthetic, this tutorial is for you. Stick with me until the end because I'll also show you how to schedule dark mode automatically and answer some common questions you may have. Dark mode isn't just about looks, it helps reduce eye strain, especially when you are working in low light environments. Plus, it saves battery life on laptops with OLED screens and just looks modern and sleek. But Windows 11 gives you more than one way to customize how your screen looks at night. Here is how to turn on dark mode in Windows 11. Click on the Start menu, then select Settings or just press Windows plus I on your keyboard. On the left sidebar, click Personalization. Next, click Colors. Choose your mode, then select Dark from the drop-down list. Just like that, your entire Windows 11 interface switches to a dark, eye-friendly theme. You can also choose Custom if you want Windows itself to stay dark but keeps your app light or vice versa. Bonus tip: while you are here, scroll down and pick an asset color if you want to add your own touch to the Start menu, taskbar, and window borders. If dark mode alone isn't enough, Windows 11 also offers contrast themes. These are essentially helpful if you have a vision sensitivity or want high readability. From personalization, click Colors, scroll down and select Contrast Themes. Pick one of the preset themes and click Apply. This instantly changes your interface to a high contrast color scheme that's easier to see, especially in low light or for accessibility purposes. Dark mode changes colors, but night light reduces blue light, which helps reduce eye strain and even improve your sleep. Open Settings and go to Display System, then click on Display, find Night Light and toggle it on. Click Night Light Settings to adjust brightness or schedule when it turns on automatically. Personally, I like to schedule night light from sunset to sunrise, but you can also set a custom time if you want it to activate automatically every evening. Want dark mode to switch automatically based on time of day like your phone does, you will need a free app called Auto Dark Mode. Just download it from Microsoft Store and you can schedule Windows to go dark at night and light during the day, hands-free. Some quick FAQ questions people often ask: can I make fonts bigger in dark mode? Yes, go to Settings, Accessibility, and Text Size. Will this change affect all apps? Not always. Apps like Chrome or Photoshop have their own dark mode settings you need to enable separately. Does night light and dark mode work together? Absolutely. You can use both of them at the same time for maximum comfort. And that's it. Now you know how to customize Windows 11 for a more eye-friendly, stylish, and comfortably experience. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Question for the day: do you prefer dark mode or light mode, and why? Drop your answer in the comments.